If you're seeing Steam error 422, don't worry. This usually means Steam received your request, but it refused to process it because something in the data is broken, invalid, or contains characters the server won't accept. In simple terms, Steam is saying, I got your request, but I can't complete it. This can happen when you're updating your profile, posting a comment, changing a name, using the market, or sending a trade offer. In this video, I'll show you the most common fixes for Steam error 422 step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes, gaming tips, and troubleshooting guides. First, let's look at the most common cause. Special characters. If you're trying to update your profile name, bio, review, or group name, Steam may reject unusual symbols, invisible characters, emojis, or long pasted templates. The easiest fix is to simplify your text. Remove any fancy Unicode symbols, delete emojis, and try using plain text only. If you copy text from another website, paste it into a basic text editor first, then copy it back without formatting. That clears out hidden characters that can trigger the error. If you're using a long bio or a Steam artwork template, try shortening it as well. Sometimes Steam flags large blocks of text as unprocessable, even if they look normal. A good test is to save just one simple word or a very short line first. If that works, then you know the issue is with the content itself, not your account. Now let's move on to the second fix. Clear your Steam web browser data. This is especially important if the 422 error happens during a trade offer on the community market or while loading a page inside Steam. In many cases, the issue is caused by corrupted browser data or a bad security token stored in Steam's cache. To do this, open Steam and go to Settings. Then find the in-game or web browser section, depending on your version of Steam. Look for the option to delete web browser data and clear it. After that, fully restart Steam so it can reload fresh data. This step often fixes trade errors, market problems, and other web-related Steam issues because it resets the broken session information. If that still doesn't help, there's another very common cause when trading, the empty trade bug. Steam error 422 can appear when the item you're trying to trade no longer exists in the other person's inventory, but your client hasn't refreshed yet. In other words, Steam is trying to process a trade for an item that is no longer available. To fix this, close the trade window completely and have both people restart Steam. Then send a brand new trade link or start a fresh trade. This forces Steam to reload the current inventory data from the server. You can also refresh your inventory by moving one item to a different slot. That small action can force Steam to ping the server and update the item list, which may clear the mismatch causing the error. If you're still getting the issue, check whether the problem is happening only in one browser, one device, or one account. Try signing out and back in, or test Steam in a different browser if you're using the web version. Also, make sure your Steam client is fully updated, because older versions can sometimes conflict with new server checks. So to quickly recap, remove special characters and invisible symbols, shorten any long text, clear Steam web browser data, restart Steam, and if you're trading, refresh the inventory and start a new trade session. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve Steam error 422 fast. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam troubleshooting videos, and comment below if you want help with any other Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.